Welcome to part 2 of the Getting Started tutorial. Here we will learn how to set up a frequency on the DF1 system. At the end of part 1 we learned how to initially connect up the system and power it on. The next step is to set the wave function to the correct setting. This is very simple and must be done every time you power up the system. Above the large numerical display is a row of icons which indicate the type of wave that the unit is set to. The default is called a sine wave and is indicated by the illuminated icon on the far left. For Rife frequency treatments we want to set it to a square wave which is represented by the next icon to the right of it. To do this we press the gray button labeled wave. Every time this is depressed the wave type is changed and the next illuminated icon to its right will light. We just want to press this button once to shift it one place to the right. Now you will see the second icon is lit which depicts a square-looking wave. The next step is to turn the output of the system on. By default it is turned off when you power on the system. Firstly, it would be prudent to turn the amplitude control completely down. This controls the intensity of the output voltage of the system. It is wise to do this in case the hand grips accidentally touch together while the output is on and the amplitude is set high. It is possible that damage to the system may result, so be careful about this. Okay, so let's turn the output on. To do this, press the output on button once. It will light indicating that it is now turned on. Okay, let's summarize the steps so far. We have set the wave to square and have turned on the output while making sure the amplitude control is turned right down. Now we are ready to set the system to a specific frequency. For details of which frequencies to use, a separate video will explain this. For this example let us set the system to 333 Hz. Press 333 followed by the blue shift button and 0. Shift 0 signifies that Hertz are the units for the number you have entered as opposed to kilohertz or megahertz. Here is another example. Let's try 12 Hz. Press 1, 2. Shift 0. And finally, let's try 489 Hz. Press 4, 8, 9. Shift 0. This concludes part 2 of the series on Getting Started. Part 3 will deal with applying the frequency you have set to your body.